Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am back at it again making those baskets. I made another spa basket that I just wanted to share with you, and I'll be making baskets throughout the night, so I'll be popping in and out, sharing these ideas with you. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the spa basket. This is my second spa basket here, and it's very nice. This one turned out really, really nice. Everything in this basket is a Dollar Tree item. All right, and this basket is about $12. We'll count it up afterwards, but let's take a look. All right. Now, excuse the crafty corner. I am busy in here. I don't have my walls up yet. Don't worry about it. We'll get them up. All right, so this spa basket, I have the Cherry Blossom Mist Spray. I have the massager here, the head massager. Of course, we got to have our plush bear. And I put the red one in this basket with the he's holding the red heart. And I've got the red chocolate rose here. I also have bath salts, pumice, the pumice heart. Of course, our sponge, and underneath the sponge is a scrunchie. And we have body butter in here. All right, and then I did my fillers with these little Tootsie Rolls. All right, so I started with foam at the bottom of the bucket here, covered with some regular tissue paper, and covered that up. All right, so this is what this spa basket is looking like. Let's count it up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our body butter is 8. Our bucket will be 9. All right, plus the extra little 25 cents, because you know it's a $20.25 store. All right, so we got 9 quarters, y'all. That's $2.25. So we're at $11.25 to put this basket together. You can add the tissue paper if you want to, and the little foam cups there. I would say 50 cents. They come 2 in a pack. I got the pack for $1.25, so that's about 55 cents. We'll say 55 cents for one of those, 10 cents for the tissue. I got the tissue at the Dollar Tree. It was, I think, a pack of 25 to 50 or so. And so we'll say 10 cents for that, 10 cents for the Tootsie Rolls if you want to add those in. And that puts us at $11.65 to make this basket. All right, and of course, I will sell this basket for $35 to $40. All right, this is a 100% Dollar Tree basket. Everything in it came from the Dollar Tree. These little hearts came in packs of, I believe it's 10. And I got them a couple of years ago when it was just $1. So, you know, we can put our little piece of candy in there, dress it up a little bit more. All right, but this will sell for $35 to $40. All right, and I know it will because I sold these same baskets last year. And these are the ones that flew. That's probably why I had so many up in my loft. Because those were the baskets that I didn't get to use. But I made about maybe 20 of these last year. And every single one of them sold. All right, so this is the spa basket. And again, it has the body mist, the body butter, and the bath salts, pumice rock, heart, chocolate rose, massager, the sponge and the loafer underneath the sponge, Tootsie Rolls, some candy, and our plush teddy bear with holding the heart. All right. All right, so I will get this closed up and sealed up and post some pictures for you so you can see what it looks like. All right. All right, there'll be lots more to come tonight because I have got to get busy. I've got to get these baskets done. I have more inventory coming in. I want to get this inventory done before the next inventory comes in, and I still got tons and tons of, if you saw my video from last night, body mist. Those I'm going to be doing something with, and I'll be putting that in video for you as well. All right, so this is another spa basket, just another crafting idea for you, and more to come tonight. So tune into the Crafty Corner where you're crafting with Katrina. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Y'all, I got a video out there. It's got like 100 and some odd views and no subscribers. So please help grow my channel and subscribe. I am about 11 subscribers away from being able to go live. So I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I am asking you that watch the video, like it, and just subscribe. It's free. And it is very, very much appreciated as I grow my channel. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you all like my spa baskets. I think it's gorgeous. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. I'll be back later on, so make sure you keep tuning in, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.